Welcome back to our AutoCAD tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be exploring one of the essential commands in AutoCAD, the text command. Let's get started. To begin, open an AutoCAD drawing where you want to add text. Make sure you're in the correct workspace. Typically a 2D workspace is suitable for working with text. To access the text command, you can either use the icon on the toolbar or type text in the command line and press enter. Now, let's dive into how to use the text command step by step. Select the text command, and AutoCAD will prompt you to specify an insertion point for your text. This is where the text will appear on the drawing. Once you've selected the insertion point, you'll need to enter the text content. You can either type the text directly into the command line or click and drag to create a text box where you can enter the desired text content. Depending on your preferences, you can adjust the text style, height, angle, and other formatting options by using the additional settings provided in the command line or dialog boxes that appear. After you've entered and formatted your text, press enter or click the OK button to place the text on your drawing. You have successfully added text to your AutoCAD drawing using the text command. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD tips and tricks. See you next time.